Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of sides 6 centimeters. That means all sides are 6 centimeters. Using a ruler and compasses only, construct triangle ABC. You must show all your construction lines. Side AB has been done for you. Okay, now first off, you want to set your compass to 6 centimeters. And starting from point B, you want to draw an arc as shown. Then, from starting point A, you want to draw another arc, which is also 6 centimeters, shown. And then the point at which they intersect, you simply use your ruler, draw a straight line from both sides, and that should be your final answer. Do not erase your construction lines, they should be shown. Thanks for watching. Scram, then scram.